curry is not just a dish, it's a whole culinary culture. Originally, this dish emerged in India, but over time, each cuisine has developed its unique curry recipe. Even within India, curry recipes can vary significantly from state to state. Ingredient selection, choosing the right ingredients, is the key to successful curry. The base of curry often consists of a vibrant mix of spices such as turmeric, cumin, cardamom, and coriander. Don't forget about vegetables such as potatoes, zucchini, eggplants, and tomatoes, which give the dish its unique taste and texture. Cooking process. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a deep skillet over medium heat. Add finely chopped onion and salt until soft, about 5 minutes. Add to minced garlic cloves, 1 piece of fresh ginger about 2 centimeters minced, and 1 sliced red chili pepper optional to the skillet with the onion. Saute for another 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of curry paste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander to the skillet. Stir and saute for another minute until the spices release their aroma. Add diced potatoes, sliced carrots, and cubed zucchini to the skillet. Stir to coat all ingredients with the spices. Gradually add 1 can for 100 milliliters of coconut milk to the skillet, stirring to create a flavorful sauce. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and let the curry simmer covered for about 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Taste and add salt if necessary. Serve the curry hot, garnished with fresh pepper and cilantro. It can be served with rice or naan bread. Conclusion: curry is a dish loved by both vegetarians and non-vegetarians alike. Its aroma, flavor, and variety of ingredients make it an ideal choice for a family dinner. Moreover, curry is not only delicious but also nutritious, as vegetables, spices, and coconut milk are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants.